Just put a lime inside a sock, and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, everyone. After this tip, your bathroom will never be the same, and I'm sure you'll save a lot of money with this. And for that, this is what we're gonna do. First, you're gonna need 1 lime. But don't use lemon for this, because limes are more acidic, so make sure to use a lime. So let's go ahead and cut the lime this way. First in half, and then let's chop it like this. Little cubes. You can cut the whole lime for this tip. And check this out, folks. This is how it's gonna stay. Let's set it aside for now. And then we're gonna need a sock. You can use any sock you have, including of course an old one, which is even better, so you can take one that you no longer use. The important thing is that it doesn't have any holes on it, especially here in this part, alright? So let's take the sock and using a pair of scissors, let's cut it starting up here. But we're not gonna cut it all the way through. Let's leave about 4 fingers down here. So let's cut it. And look, this is how it's gonna stay. Now I'll get the chopped lime. And then let's go ahead and put it all inside the sock. We're using the whole lime for this. And now let's tie these 2 ends up here. But don't tie it until the end. See? Tie a knot and then we'll make another one. And now you can tighten the second knot very well. And it's gonna stay like this, like a little bag. And now let's get to the bathroom so I can show you guys how we're gonna use this. Alright folks, this is what we're gonna do. First, go ahead and remove the lid from the toilet tank. Then take your little bag and look for something inside the tank to hang it on. Here, I'm gonna hang it right here in the middle. So let's go ahead and put it there. The important thing is that the lime stays in contact with the water. See? That will do. And now what's gonna happen here, folks? Every time you flush it, a little bit of juice or lime essence will come out. And if you didn't know, lime is great for cleaning, removing stains, and especially to remove bad odors. That's great, isn't it? So that's why lime is a great match for your toilet maintenance. Because in addition to help keeping it clean and without stains, it's also gonna help to remove any bad odor your toilet may have. So this is a pretty cool and simple tip, so that you no longer have to spend your money on expensive cleaning products. So that's today's tip. Try this at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the result.